All right, you guys, we are on our way to the grocery store. It is raining out, so good thing I didn't wash my car because I was planning to do that. Anywho, I decided, hopefully you can hear me and it's not too loud with the rain. Oh, it's not too bad. I decided to kind of set up my grocery haul sort of videos a little bit different, so you'll have to let me know feedback-wise if you like this style. So we're headed to 2 grocery stores. I go to Kroger and I go to Trader Joe's. And I also made a grocery list before I left. So I like to just pop that list that I made writing down. Not necessary to do both lists. I'm just weird like that. But I like to go ahead and just pop it in my notes section so I can easily make sure that I don't forget anything. And I tried to come up with ideas of what I'm going to eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinners. It is already like halfway through the week, so typically I like to go grocery shopping on Monday, so it's not like I have every single meal planned, but just some ideas. So I will link Halfbakedharvest. She's who I do a ton of my recipe inspirations from, so I'm doing 2 of her meal recipes this week. And I don't always plan out every single meal, but I'm trying to be more intentional with that this year so I eliminate some food waste. So I will see you guys when we get to Trader Joe's. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another grocery haul. I went ahead and did a Trader Joe's run and a Kroger run. I take you guys along with me as well. If you like this different style of video, let me know in the comments down below and I'll continue doing it. But let's go ahead and get started. I grabbed this turkey again, and honestly I was thinking that it's really not the best. They've raised their prices yet again on this. So it's like $5.50 for 8 ounces. So I feel like I could get a whole pound of turkey for like 10 bucks, but I don't know. I like the deli counter or whatever, but I do really like this. It's the Columbus peppered turkey breast. I've been making a ton of those like TikTok wrap hack things where you fold it into 4s. I will link my most recent what I eat in a day video down below for you guys, but also the meals that I'm planning to make this week. I'll talk about those as I go along. I grabbed some mild Italian sausage. I like how it's already like just the insides and not in the casing. I'm going to be making a lasagna soup, but I wanted to add some protein to it, so I thought the mild Italian sausage would be really good. And I'm following a recipe loosely based off of Halfbakedharvest. She's my favorite for recipe inspiration. I grabbed some eggs, just a big thing of large brown eggs. That's all for protein. I have a ton of chicken breast, chicken thighs, chicken sausage, ground turkey, all that in the freezer. So I didn't need anything. So for veggies and fruit, I grabbed some apples. I've been liking how little these Honeycrisps are because I feel like sometimes I can't finish an entire big old Honeycrisp, but I like using these to snack on. Arlo likes to snack on them as well, as I like to put them in my juicer. So I did get some stuff to juice. I grabbed some thyme for a recipe as well. I grabbed like 4 or 5 bell peppers, red bell peppers. I like to snack on these like every single day and they just look really good this week. I grabbed some little tomatoes just to have, but also I thought would be good in either squash that I'll show you in just a second. So grabbed those. Mushrooms for that lasagna soup I was talking about. This is just a veggie I wanted to have on hand. I feel like I've tried these before, but I can't remember. These are the baby zucchini. No, thought they sounded good. I love keeping these carrots on hand because they hold up really well in the fridge and don't go bad super quick. And they're just really delicious. So these are the petite carrots of all different colors from Trader Joe's. Some baby broccolini. I just have been finding that the organic is like a couple more cents and it lasts a whole lot longer in the fridge. So I grabbed this and I only grabbed one, but this will last us 2 meals. I grabbed some green onion, I believe for a soba noodle recipe that I want to try this week. Some basil for that lasagna soup that I was talking about. Oh, also some romaine lettuce. I'm gonna chop this up to have with tacos. I don't have taco shells. Yes, I do. Do I? I don't know. For tacos this week, probably tonight. And I grabbed 3 giant things of celery. This is going to be used for juicing. For my juice, I typically use ginger, apple, cucumber, celery, and lemon. I already have ginger, so yeah. And then I grabbed some cucumbers as well to go in that juice. I will link the juicer that I use down below. Absolutely love it. It's really affordable on Amazon. And then I grabbed 4 things of garlic just to have. I also grabbed a spaghetti squash. This is what I was talking about with the tomatoes. I could stuff this with, I could like cut it in half and stuff it with some like ground turkey and tomatoes and just like veggies and things like that, or cheese. Who knows what I'm gonna do with it. Same thing with the acorn squash. I plan to stuff this. Last time I cooked it and stuffed it with, I don't know, like I think I did ground turkey, kale, and some cheese, and I want to say tomatoes. That's what I did with this one last time. I love squash. We haven't had it in a while. I grabbed some bread. I plan to make sandwiches and things like that for lunch, as well as my wraps. But I also just like this for avocado toast in the morning. I love sourdough. This is the multigrain sourdough. Some baby spinach. I'm going to be using this in those turkey wraps that I said, as well as like smoothies. Who knows? Everything spinach. I think that's, oh no, here we go. And then some lemons for my juice, as well as maybe water, whatever. For dairy, I grabbed some non-fat Greek yogurt. I use this in substitution for mayonnaise and sour cream. Scott uses it in his smoothies every morning. This I was thinking specifically though to have a new one for tacos for sour cream to go on top. I grabbed some half and half. This is for that lasagna soup recipe. Same thing with the Parmesan cheese. Some almond milk for smoothies, as well as protein shakes. Some butter just to have on hand. I didn't think we had much left. I've been insanely obsessed with this. This is the vegan kale, cashew, and basil pesto on those wraps. So freaking good. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, check out the video that I'll link down below, but this is so good. I love this one. It would be good on sandwiches as well. And you know, I've never tried pesto fried eggs, which I hear are like really good, so I might use that to try that. Also grabbed this caramelized onion dip. This is like my favorite for sandwiches, but I also thought it might be good on the wrap to switch it up. Also, I've been using these julienne sun-dried tomatoes in like an oil base, but I grabbed these. I saw these on my trip, and I thought these could be nicer and obviously less oil and things. It is just sun-dried tomatoes in a bag. So I love these on my wraps, topped over the pesto. Some more cheese for my wraps. I decided to get the light Havarti this week. Some milk, whole milk for Arlo. And then moving along to some pantry items. I typically like the olive oil spray, but the canola oil is all they had this week, so I grabbed this. I like this for air frying things. I grabbed this coffee, this whole bean coffee. This has notes of milk chocolate, sweet orange, and raisin. I like Trader Joe's small lot coffee. But I also grabbed this, and this is their organic fair trade 5-count country espresso blend. I've never tried their espresso before. It is whole bean, but I can grind it. But I wanted it for specifically my little coffee thing that makes espresso, so I'm trying that out this week. I grabbed some pancake mix, buttermilk pancake mix for Arlo for the weekends. Again, for Arlo mini cheese crackers. These are so good. I love them too. I grabbed some more teriyaki seaweed. They don't have my original seaweed, so I just go with that now. I've never tried these before, and I was just craving, since I was like wraps and chips and all that. I was like, or sandwiches, I was like chips. So I grabbed these salt and pepper ridged potato chip from Trader Joe's. I grabbed 3 energy drinks by Alani New, Breezeberry, Watermelon Wave, and then Scott likes grape, so I grabbed a Cosmic Stardust. These are my favorite things, like ever. I feel like they're super versatile if you want to do like Chipotle style bowls, tacos, dressings, sauces, whatever. They're chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. They're very hot, but they're such like rich, smoky, deep flavor. I love these, and we just didn't have any, so I don't have a specific plan for them, but I just thought I wanted them next time that I need them. I grabbed some canned vegetables for Arlo for dinners, so sliced carrots. He's never had sliced beets, so I decided to pick those up and see if he likes them. And then some cut green beans. And then, last but not least, I grabbed 2 flavors of sparkling water LaCroix, the mango, which I've never tried, and the guavas, which I've never tried as well. I like to just have these for midday pick-me-ups and whatnot. So that is everything that I got from the grocery store, from Trader Joe's and Kroger. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, you guys.